Is the Edelweiss Life Flexi Dream Plan truly the smart path to long term financial comfort, or does it simply look attractive on the surface? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non-linked, participating savings life insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: it protects your family's financial future with a comprehensive life insurance cover. You get to choose from versatile benefit structures under two plan options, the milestone option and the live long option, and you can even achieve your future goals with regular income and flexible income, which is flexible customized payouts through the accrual of survival benefits feature. And you can also extend protection to two lives with the convenient together option. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit and maturity benefit and survival benefit, which will differ based on the plan option you have opted for. There are some advantages as well, like you can choose to accumulate a portion or even the full 100% of your survival benefits instead of taking them as cash payouts. There is also an option to receive the survival benefit in advance, and protection can be further enhanced by adding riders. Additionally, you can avail a loan of up to 60% of the policy's surrender value. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages, like the sum assured may fall short of covering your family's essential financial needs. The returns offered are lower than those available through other investment options. The regular income is not adjusted for inflation, which can reduce its real value over time. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. If you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration to help us make a more informed decision. So for example purpose, let us assume that a 40-year-old male has chosen this policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which is maximum 12.60 lakhs. So the policy term is 40 years, the premium payment term is 12 years, and the annual premium is 1 lakh. So he has chosen the milestone option. Regular income begins from the second policy year, comprising guaranteed income and a cash bonus. So in the benefit illustration, they have shown two assumed investment return scenarios, like 4% per annum and 8% per annum, which is purely for illustrative purpose and not guaranteed. So the actual returns will depend on the actual performance of the policy. This is just to show you how this policy can perform at worst and best case scenario. So at 4% per annum, the annual survival benefit is 31,515 rupees, and maturity benefit comes around 13.40 lakhs. So the IRR as per the policy's maturity calculator is 3.40%. So this is for the 4% scenario. In the 8% scenario, the annual survival benefit is 45,570 rupees, and maturity benefit is 20.81 lakhs. So the IRR as per the maturity calculator is 5.66%. If you look at both the scenarios during the yearly policy years, the survival benefit is adjusted against the premiums. After the premium payment term ends, the survival benefit continues until the end of the policy term. However, once the premium payment term is over, your investment remains locked inside the policy. So the survival benefit cannot be treated as a meaningful source of income because it is not non-guaranteed, and also it is not inflation adjusted. So it simply cannot keep up with rising household expenses. The maturity benefit is also accessible only at the end of the 40-year policy term. So taken together, neither the survival benefit nor the maturity benefit provides real value to the policyholder. As a result, the plan's key benefits, including survival benefit and maturity benefit, fail to deliver any substantial advantage to the investor. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy and know how this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take an alternative approach, where instead of combining insurance and investment like in the Edelweiss policy, we are going to take an alternative approach in which we are going to invest in insurance and investment separately, and we will use same or similar parameters from the earlier example for a much more fair comparison. So here, for life cover purpose, we have taken a pure term life insurance policy with a 10 lakh sum assured, which cost us 22,500 rupees annually for a 40-year term. This leaves us with 77,500 rupees each year for investment. Further, since the premium paying term is only for 10 years, unlike the 12 years in the Edelweiss plan, you can invest a full 1 lakh during the last 2 years. So, during the initial years, the investment can be allocated to equity or debt. Here we have assumed an equity mutual fund, for example. So after the accumulation phase, the corpus is moved to an instrument yielding 7% per annum to enable regular withdrawals, akin to the 8% scenario illustrated in the Edelweiss plan. So the post-tax accumulated corpus from the equity mutual fund grows to 12.33 lakhs. If you want to know how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So when this corpus earns 7% per annum, it supports annual withdrawals comparable to the plan's 8% scenario. So eventually the remaining corpus builds up to 1.15 crores, delivering an IRR of 9.24%. Unlike the fixed non-inflation adjusted income from the Edelweiss policy, this approach offers complete accessibility. You can delay withdrawals in the early years to boost compounding and increase them later to keep pace with rising expenses. By separating insurance and investment, you secure higher returns, greater control, and a more inflation resilient strategy, making it a far more superior alternative to the Edelweiss policy. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Flexi Dream Plan worth it or not? So this policy provides you with regular income starting from the end of the second policy year, with added advantage of flexible survival benefit payouts. While this may appear attractive for those seeking steady cash flow, a closer look shows that the plan does not deliver competitive returns. Even though the live long option offers whole life coverage, the sum assured is typically insufficient to meet meaningful financial requirements. In personal finance, it is crucial to have adequate life cover that aligns with your future goals and liabilities, especially during your working years. The major shortcomings of this plan includes low returns, inadequate coverage, and limited ability to cope with inflation or evolving financial needs, and it also has a high agent commission. A better approach is to separate insurance and investment. By investing your savings in suitable financial products, you can accumulate wealth more efficiently and generate a more reliable income stream. So, pairing this with a pure term life insurance policy gives you substantial coverage at an affordable cost, ensuring strong financial protection. So, select investments based on your risk profile, long term goals, and time horizon. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.